global expansion of solar energy must accelerate if we want to secure affordable, resilient, and independent energy systems worldwide. Yet today, the construction of large-scale solar power plants still relies heavily on manual work. Installation processes are labor-intensive, weather-dependent, and difficult to scale across large construction sites. To make the energy transition truly viable at scale, solar construction itself must evolve. With HeliomatiX, GOLDBECK SOLAR introduces a fully automated installation system that fundamentally changes how utility-scale solar parks are built. HeliomatiX transforms module installation into an industrial, end-to-end automated process, increasing precision, speed and predictability while reducing dependency on manual labor and with less ecosystem impact. This technology automates the installation in 3 tightly integrated steps, forming one continuous workflow: pre-assembly, autonomous logistics, and robotic installation. At the assembly hub, module rails and solar modules are automatically assembled and fastened to form complete module elements, each consisting of up to 4 modules. Throughout the process, every module is inspected and digitally registered, ensuring a standardized and closely monitored installation process with clear identification and full traceability. This pre-assembly step establishes the foundation for a highly efficient and repeatable construction workflow. Next, autonomous transport vehicles take over on-site logistics. They deliver the prepared module units directly to their exact installation position within the solar park, ensuring a continuous material flow while drastically reducing manual handling and site traffic. By minimizing heavy traffic and defining precise transport routes, HeliomatiX significantly reduces soil compaction and preserves the natural structure of the ground, an essential factor for agricultural land and sensitive ecosystems. In the final step, a robotic installation system then precisely positions and mounts the module rails onto the mounting structure. Multiple modules can be installed simultaneously with high speed and consistent installation quality, independent of weather conditions and seasonal constraints. The result is a new level of efficiency, safety, and reliability in solar construction. HeliomatiX enables solar parks to be built faster, more predictably, and at true industrial scale. This is the next evolution of utility-scale solar construction.